Your secret admirer. I've been watching you. At night, I think
What's going on, family? Listen, I told you each and every week we will come to you and bring you a beast mode video. But this week is just a little bit different. I have the very special guest, my wife. Listen, this week we're talking about relationship edition of what?
Beast mode.
I want you to stay on beast mode. If this is your first time watching the Aosinspires video, it's not about being a millionaire. It's not about gaining wealth. It's not even about being an entrepreneur. But beast mode is about whatever it is that you have your hands to. And this week, relationship edition, doing it with excellence. We want you to help you take your relationship to the next level. 3 things that we believe that will help your relationship. It's called relationship maintenance. The first one is compliments. How does compliments help you in your everyday life?
Compliments definitely
Well,
help.
let's pause. I'm talking about the compliments I pay to you. Now, let's get that clear. Go ahead.
Compliments definitely make me feel good. During the day when you send me a text message
Yes.
and let me know that you love me or that I'm beautiful, it definitely boosts my self-esteem for one.
Yes.
And it makes me feel good in our relationship.
And I want to tell you this. She sends me text messages that says, baby, I love you. I'm thinking about you. I can't wait to see you. As a man, that makes me feel wonderful. I can only imagine how it makes her feel. The second one I want to talk to you about is time. Oftentimes, people don't make enough time for one another. Make dates. We make family time each and every week. We do something every single day as a family, as a couple, that we need to get back to also. Last one we want to talk to you about is what?
Communication.
Communication. What about when you get on my nerves or I get on your nerves and the feelings and the emotions is in here and I don't want to talk to you? How do we navigate through that?
Definitely don't go to sleep angry at yourself.
Don't do that. I promise you.
And definitely don't keep things bottled up.
Yes.
Let each other know how you feel and talk about it and hash it out.
Listen, I love it. Listen, those are 3 things that we want you to stay on beast mode. Communication, compliments, and time. I want you to stay on beast mode. Listen, if you're on Facebook, we're AOS.Inspires. If you're on YouTube, Snapchat, or Twitter, we're AOS.Inspires. I promise you, if you holler at us, we will definitely holler back at you. Grace and peace. Is that the Kiki sound?
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room